Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class and the subject is mathematics. In this one, the topic is ascending and descending order of the numbers as per the given digits. So here in this video we are going to look exercise 6 which is available in our Navneet Digest on page number 222 and 223. So either 222, there is a solve example, one example already solved, so just we will again solve it. So example is, if the numbers, there is a number is given, so in this one the question is, okay, descending order we have to make, which will be the third number, and after the descending order the third number we have to choose. So for this one, all the higher places numbers means unit, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs, lakhs and 10,000, all are the 6 digits are present in all the numbers. Okay, so we will just mark out that these are the equal. After this one there are the 7 again. Okay, so all the number have the 7. After this one means at the hundreds, there is a one 7 here in this number. In this number also is the 7. Now another number have the 8 and here also 8. So this and this one. So these two numbers are the smaller. In this one, if you compare, after the 7 there is 89 and here 798. So this one is the number one. We can say the smaller one. Okay. So for the smaller one, I just mark out as a 1. After that one, the descending order we will maintain. So this is the 1, then this is the 2 numbers. After this one, the third number, which is the higher. After this one, here 78, here also 78. But here, after this one, this is 79. So this is the number 3 and this is the number 4. Now, from 1, 2, 3 and 4, this is the ascending order we have maintained. But in our question, descending order should be there. So for number 4, we will mark out as a 1. For the 3, we will mark out as a 2, then 3 and then 4. Means we have changed the order. Now in this one, for the descending, which will be the third number. So this is the number third. So this one is given in option number 4. Option number 4 is the correct one for this one. So student, here I first out make the ascending. Okay, these orders 1, 2, then 3. I just note down here 3 and 4. This is the ascending order for just understanding purpose. Means for the ascending means for the regular smaller to the higher. Okay, this is a smaller toward the greater, or we can say higher number, from left side to the right side. This is the regular. Okay, then after that one we have changed the order, means ascending to the descending. In the ascending order, the number is greater should be comes first in a descending order. So that's why this comes to a 1 for in a descending. After this one, the 2 number, then 3 and then 4. Okay, like this one. So ascending and descending, both the orders we have maintained just for the understanding purpose. Okay, but this type of the time waste should not be do in our exam. This is for just understanding purpose. Okay, so in a descending, greater toward the smaller. Okay, everything is from left to the right. Okay, this is a by default orders. Okay, sequence we can say. So this should be follow either from smaller to the greater or greater to the smaller. If greater to the smaller, then it should be the descending. Smaller to the greater, it should be the ascending, like this one. Okay, so this is a example, solved example given in our textbook Navneet Digest. Now we will solve the exercise 6, which is available on page number 223. Question number 1, what will be the sum of the first and third number? If the number, there are the numbers given, I just note down here on another screen. If you see higher place means this is a 10,000 place, everywhere 3 digits is mentioned. Okay, in all the numbers means are the same. Then we will shift to the next one. So here also the 2 maintain in all the numbers. Okay, at the thousands place. So again we will shift to the next means 100 place for making the comparison. Here now 3 is there, here 3 is there. Now another number, fourth number, 2 and 1. These are the in sequence, means 3 and 3 is there. So we will make first for the 3. So after the 3, here the 2. So this is the higher. So this one will be the comes in a descending order. Okay. After this one, this will comes down a 2, and then 231 and 123. So this will comes the 3, and this will comes the fourth number. So this is our descending order. So this same sequence is maintained in a question also. Now first and the third number. So this is the first number and this is the third number. So this addition we have to do. So for this one, this number I will not consider. 1 plus 1 2, then 2 plus 3 5, then 3 plus 2 5, then 2 plus 2 4, and 3 plus 3 6. So 64,552. So this is available in option number 3. So for question 1, option number 3 is the correct one. Now question 2, if the numbers are arranged in ascending order. Ascending means smaller here and greater should be the at the right side. Okay, so smaller should be at the left side and greater should be at the right side. So smaller, which is the smaller one? Now if you observe, there is a first 2 digit at the higher places. 39 here, also 39 here, also 39, and here also 39. All are the same. After this one, here the 7. After this one means at the thousands place. Now in this number 9 is there, in this number 8 is there, and in this number 9. So we will compare in these two for find outing the greater one. After this one, in this number 7 and in this number 8. So this is the greater one. Okay, so we can say this is the greater one means in a 4 number. Okay, and this is at the 3 number. Now for a smaller one and the number 2 means number 1 and number 2 we will search. This one is the 7 and here is the 8. So this is the smaller one. So this is 1 and this is the number 2. So 1 2 3 4. This is our ascending order. Now in question are arranged in a ascending order, then which will be the last number? So last number means this 4 number. Okay, so greater number in ascending order. So this is a given in option number 2. So that's why question number 2, option number 2 is a correct one. Now question number 3, if the numbers, okay, so here 6 lakhs and 60,000 all are in the same manner, means first 3 higher digit we can say, means at the lakh position, then 10,000 and 1,000 position. Now we will concentrate on a hundreds position. But the question is saying are arranged in ascending order, which will be that the second number. So ascending order means smaller one we have to choose. Now here 0, here 6, 6 and 6. So this is a smaller one. So this is the 1. Ascending order, this will comes in a first number, means from the left side. Now second number we have to choose. Now here the 6, here 6 and here 0. So this will comes at the second number. Okay, so we require the second number. So this one is the our answer, and is given in option number 3. So that's why question number 3, option number 3 is the correct one. Now question 4, what will be the difference between the first and last number if the numbers given? So in this one the question is mentioning first and the last number difference we have to find out if the numbers are arranged in suitable order. So ascending or descending, any order we can maintain, but first and the last means smaller one and greater one, that difference we have to find out. Now in this one, which is the smaller one and which is the greater one, that two numbers we will only find out. So on 28,000 all the numbers are given at the 28,000, means this all the digits are the same. So we will compare on a 100 digits basis. So here 3, here 7. So this is a here 4 and here 7. So this 7 is the greater number. So I just mark out as a G for the greatest number. After this one the 4 is there, and then 3. So in this one the smaller should be there, and after this one if you see the tens place means here 7 and here 4. So this is a smaller, so here's S. Now in these two digits we have to find out the difference. Now here 743 and here 347. So 28. Now all are the having the 28,000 and then something digits. So this two digit you can eliminate also for find outing the difference. Only 743 means 743 minus 347. You can do that like this one. So here the 13 minus 6 7 means 6 comes. After this one this is the 13. So here 9 comes, and here 6 means 3 comes. So 396. This is our answer, and this is given in option number 4. So for the question number 4, option number 4 is the correct one. Now question 5, What will be the sum of first and last number? If the numbers are given after ascending orders, we have to find out the first and the third, and that summation also means ascending order we have to find out first. After this one, first and the third one, and then after this two numbers find out, we have to make the addition, and that answer we have to find out. So this is the total exercise we have to do in a question number 5. So in this one, first number means smaller number, for the ascending means smaller to the greater number. So smaller number we have to find out. So smaller one means the here 2 2 2 2. So after this one, the thousands place 7 6 6 7. So in here the 6 means smaller digits, so we will compare in between these two. So after this 6, 8 is there, and after 8, 3 is there. So this is the smaller one. So this is the first number. After this one, the second number will be here, of course, and then in between these two numbers we will find out. After the 7, there is a 9. Okay, that is also same number. After this 9, here the 3 and here the 8. So 8 is greater, so that's why this number is a greater, means this is the fourth and this is the third. Now we have to find out the summation from first and the third one. So 26 8 3 9 plus 27 9 3 8. So this 7 1 7, then 7 1 14 1, so 5. So 54,777, and this is given in our option number 2. So for question number 5, option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 6, in which option are the number are arranged in a correct ascending order? So on our options, so for question 6, option 1, we will see there is a 50,387. After this one, 53,087, and then 50,000. Means if you see, there are the three numbers. First number is given 50,000, then middle number 53,000, and again last number 50,000. So from left to the right, this is not a correct order. So option number 1 is not a ascending order. Then option number 2, 70,000, then 777, then middle number 70,770. This is a smaller one than the first one. So after this one, 77,000 means again higher. So first number is a smaller, first number is the name, and then second number is a smaller, and third number is a greater. So this is also not a correct any order mentioning, but we require the ascending. So this is not a ascending order mentioned. Option number 3, 44,404, and then after this one, the middle number is mentioned 44,444. So this is a greater than the first. Okay, here the ascending, but if you see the third number 44,440 means this is the smaller one than the middle one, means descending. So from 1 to 2 ascending, and then 2 middle to the last one is a descending. So this is not a correct orders as per our requirement also. And in option number 4, 33,579. After this one, 33,757. So at the 100 place, if you see 5 to 7 means order is ascending. Okay. After this one, the last number 33,975. So 33,000, and after this 33,000, 7 is the digit at the middle one, and the 9 is the digit at the higher one. So this here also ascending order maintained. So throughoutly, option number 4 ascending order is mentioned proper way. So that's why this option number 4 is the correct one. Question number 7, if we arrange the numbers, so there are the numbers. Okay, so these numbers we have given. So if you see, all having the lakh position, higher places is at the lakh position, and at the lakh position, so all number have the 4 digits. So all are the equal for this 4 lakh. After this one, we will go to 10,000 place. So on a 10,000 place, which is the here digit 7. In this one also 7, here also 7, here and here. So all the numbers have the 7 digit at the 10,000. So we will move to the next thousands place. So here the 0, and in this number 7, in this number also 7, here 0, and in this 4. Okay, so this 1, then 2 and 3. So these are will be the in 1, 2 and 3 in order. So after this 7, there is a 4, and there is a here the 7, and here the 0. So if you see, in between these two 0 and 0, so 4 is a smaller one in by the 7, with compared to the 7. So this will be the one number, means in ascending order, and this will comes in a 2, and this will comes in a 3 number. Now in these two numbers we will compare. After the 7, 0 is there, which are the equal in both the numbers, 0 present. After this 0, there is a 4, and here the 7. So this is the smaller one than this one. So 4 number will comes here, and the fifth number will comes here. So this is the greater one, and this is the second one. After this greater means from the ascending order from the last to the second. Okay, so for ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is the our ascending order. Okay, ascending. Now the greater will be the here at the last, and the second number means the fourth one. So fourth one means this one, and this is given in option number 4. So for the question number 7, 4 is the correct one. Now question number 8, find the number in a square. So if the numbers are there, so 9, 3, 4, 1, and there is one box here. After the box 1, 0, 0, 0, and 5 means 10,000. Are arranged in ascending order. Ascending means this is the order. So here the small and here the greater. So here the number must be greater than this one and the smaller than this one. So first of all, we will check for the option number 1. So in option number 1, 9, 1, 3, 4. So 9, 1 is there. So at the 100 place, here the 3 and here the 1. So it should not be. For the option number 2, 93,400. So 93,000 means which is also greater than the our greater digits. So this one should not be. Then the third number means 9607, 9,607. So this is a greater than this one. So it may be, and this is also smaller than this one. So this may possible. Just check for the option number 4. Option number 4 is the 8,000. So 8,000 is the smaller than the 9,000. So this should not be. So only the option number 3 is the correct one. So here 9607 it should becomes, because after the 9 and after the 3, 6 is here. So as compared to the 3 and 6, 6 digit is greater than. So this order is correct one. And after this one, this 10,000 number is the greater one in our order. So this is also the correct one. So our ascending order is maintaining after choosing this number. So that's why option number 3 is the correct number to fit our criteria. Now question number 9, what will be the difference between the second and the third number if the numbers are arranged in suitable order? Now these are the numbers given. Now in this one, if you see, all are the 98,000 and then something numbers, means we have to compare on a 100 place. So on a 100 place, which are the digits? Here the 7, here the 0, here also 0, and here the 7. So in this one, which is the smaller one? Those are the 0. So there are the 2 0. So we will compare for to find out the smaller one. So after the 0, here the 3 and here the 7. So this will comes the smaller one, means we will mark out as a 1, and this is a 2. So let's come the others. So others having the 7, and after this 7, here the 0 and here the 3. So this will comes at the 3, and this will comes at the 4th, means greater one. So for the ascending order, smaller to the greater one means 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. So in this one, now we have to find out the second and the third difference. Okay, second number and the third number. So here the second and here the third. So in this one, all are the 98,000, here also the 98,000. So we will just find out the difference between 700 and 3 minus this 73. If there is a 0, nothing is changed. Okay, so 73. So 3 minus 3, 0. So here 10 minus 7, 3, and here the 6, so 630. And 630 is given option number 2. So the option number 2 is the correct one for question number 9. Now question number 10, what will be the sum of the first and the third number? First and the third number after arranging the number in descending order. So these are the 4 numbers we have given in a question, and we have to make the descending order first of all, and after this one, the first and the third one number we have to make a separate to make a summation, or we can say the addition. So for this one, the greater number we have to choose. If you see, all are the starting with the 4 lakhs. Okay, so all are equal at the lakh basis. After this one, 10,000 place are all having the 9 digits. So we cannot compare on this one, so we have to compare on a thousands basis. So here 7877, so 8 is here, means this is a greater number, so we will mark out as a 1. Sorry, in descending order means 1. This will be the comes at the first number. So after this one, there is 100 place digits 9 here, 8 and here 9. So we will compare on these two numbers. So after the 9, here also 9, here also 9. So after this one, we will compare on a unit basis. So here 9, 8 and here 9. So this is the number 2. So after this one, we will come to these two numbers. As we know, these are the up to the thousands place are the same, and here 9 and here 8. So that's why this is a greater than this one. So this is comes at the number 3, and this is comes at the number 4. So for the descending order, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 means from the greater to the smaller one. Okay, so this is the descending order. Now we have to choose first and the third one, and the summation we have to do. So first one is the this one, and the third one is the this one. So we have to make addition. So here 7 1, and after this one the 8 1. So 9 9 19 1. So 6 1 9. So 9,96,987. So and this is given in our option number 1. So that's why option number 1 is the correct one. Thank you.